come to her great dedication and commitment to quality education.
Ano, tingnan mo nga kung
Ladies and gentlemen,
malinaw o black.
Rose Thompson for the opening remarks.
Ano ka? I-check mo pa yung mas malino.
Ayan.
Video yan, video.
Oo. Okay na. Okay na. Malinaw na.
O yan, yan.
Wala pa rin dalawa ka.
Arlen Rigola, of Academic Affairs.
Ay, RB.
My English Club Advisor, Mrs. Aurora
Okay na.
Rivera. The English Club President, John Paul Antiporda of 41. Miss Eleanor Castillo, Department Head of MAP. Miss Ali Mascareñas, Bio Department Head. Miss Jocelyn Benavista, Filipino Department Head. My master teachers, Miss Apple Soriano, Mrs. Lucila A. Cruz, Miss Susan Hendra Sanchez, Mr. Joselito Timbulan. The brain behind is very creative. Akram, very artistic in this. The English department is very proud of. All my English teachers, headed by Mr. Vargas in charge of program education. Cordial advisor. Miss Ofelia Ignacio, Ma'am Vivian Factor, Mr. George Bolivar, all my English teachers, so many to mention. Thank you for the very strong bonding. Most of them are here. All the students, good morning. All the contestants, parents, classmates, and friends of all our contestants, all of you, good morning. I would like to extend, of course, my congratulations and gratitude to all of you that I mentioned. Every closing ceremony evokes a mingled sense of successful accomplishment and a sense of pride for a job well done. We're almost to the end of the English book month with the theme, Reading Towards Filipino Excellence. And if you will notice our program, what is there on the back of the program? Yes, the Filipino can. The Filipino can. Actually, I do not want to call this the book month celebration, because reading should not only be for the month of December. It should always be every day. It should be one practice that should be imbibed in each and every one of you. Reading, the love for reading books, the love for going to the library and enjoy our reading materials. Okay. What is there to enjoy and appreciate every book month celebration wherein everybody is eager to involve himself? Ayan na, December na. The English department is always on the watch of beautiful ladies and handsome guys. What else? Talented students, good in oration, good in declamation, good in mobile theater, acting. What else? Moral reading, extra challenge. We are not only a concern with your academics, but also your sense for what is beautiful. So that come graduation, you are already what? one whole person, one whole individual who has the sense for beauty. You can appreciate beauty, you appreciate the what? The thirst for knowledge. So reading, reading, reading. This is the bottom line for everything that we are doing. English proficiency is what we want everyone to have. Be proficient in English. You see, mine is, I do not know if this is going to be still an opening remark as is reflected in the program. But I am always happy come awarding ceremony because this is where the highlight of the program is. The highlight where we have the Lord and ladies of Berkeley after all the presentations of the winners for today. Winners in front of reading. And you will agree with us. Kaya pala sinabi winners. So, that's it. Okay? So, just take a relax and watch the whole show. Alright. The goal of the English Month celebration should not end here. Porque tapos na ang December 15, that's the end of the Book Month celebration. Let's enjoy the Book Month, the love for reading every day. As I have mentioned, Book Month should not be called Book Month. It should be love for books forever and ever. You agree with me? Do you read books? Really? Alright, very good. Very good. Alright, so if that is true, we are staying on the right track. We stay on the right track. So you study English, speak good English, speak correct English. Okay lang yun. Sometimes you sometimes you correct, you commit errors. Okay lang ang English errors sometimes. So that you will have time to realize, so there is error in what I said. So you can correct later. Okay ba yun? Okay ba yun? Because you cannot learn to speak English overnight. You cannot do it in just sitting with your English teacher in 1 hour. You have to follow up. Follow up. Read your insights. Read your English book. Read your science book. Any English book. So that you can polish your English. So, what is our theme for the Book Month again? Everybody and? Would you like to be excellent? Alright. So I am with you. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Ma'am Rose. In behalf of the teachers in the English department, I would like to extend our sincerest gratitude, not only for your steadfast adherence to standard operating and excellence, but also for serving and for working for love and peace. Ladies and gentlemen, under a big round of applause for our department head, Ma'am Rose Santos.
Yung gold dust na tapon sa tanda mo.
Good morning again. Good morning to everyone.